Welcome to Luxembourg, everyone, the country with the highest GDP. In this video, I'll be sharing our first day trip experience in the absolutely gorgeous Luxembourg City, the things we did, and some tips and advice to help you as well. So let's get into it. But before that, just a quick heads up. If you're visiting Luxembourg on a Sunday, you're in luck. Parking is free all day, and so is public transportation. So whether you're driving or hopping on a bus, getting around is super easy. But if you're like us and love exploring on foot, just be ready for some hilly spots. The views are totally worth it though. We are kicking things off in Grund. Seriously, this place feels like a real-life fairy tale. It's tucked away in a valley, and as soon as you step onto those cobblestone streets, you're surrounded by old-world charm. The little houses, the river, the quiet, is like a secret corner of the city that time forgot. Perfect way to start the day. Right next to Grund, we found ourselves in Ville de Luxembourg, the historic heart of the city. We wandered through the streets a bit, taking in the mix of old-world charm and modern life. The stunning views demanded a few pictures to be taken as well. Next up, we headed to Kesmetz du Bock. Although we didn't venture inside, exploring it from the outside was an adventure in itself. Built into the cliffs, these old fortifications make you marvel at the sheer scale and history of these ancient walls. The garden surrounding the area is a peaceful retreat, offering lush greenery and stunning views over the city. From there, we strolled over to the Chemin de la Corniche. I hope I pronounced that right, or better known as Europe's most beautiful balcony. And you know what? It totally lives up to the hype. The views are insane, like you can see the whole city laid out below you, with its mix of ancient walls and modern buildings. It's kind of a place where you just have to stop and take it all in. After soaking in the views from Europe's most beautiful balcony, we made our way to the city center to check out the local scene. The vibe there was super lively, people everywhere, cool shops and street performers bringing the place to life. We stopped by the famous statue in the plaza for a quick snap and took in the mix of old and new architecture all around us. After exploring the area, we grabbed lunch at a cozy little cafe. It was nice to just sit back, relax, and take in the city's chill atmosphere. We then made a quick stop at a local supermarket that, to our surprise, was actually open on a Sunday. It had multiple stories, and we couldn't resist taking up a few items to take home. After that, we ended up at the Monument of Remembrance near Notre-Dame Cathedral. It's this striking golden statue that really grabs your attention, honoring those who served in the world wars. Our next stop was Notre-Dame Cathedral. This place is grand with a capital G. Inside, it's all about those towering arches and beautiful stained glass. We took a moment to soak up the peaceful vibes because hey, every trip needs a little bit of quiet time here and there, right? And finally, we wrap things up at the Wenzel photo point. It's the perfect place to snap a few pictures and just appreciate how much history and beauty Luxembourg packs into such a small space. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.